Bitcoin money truly is a mid-position digital currency as of now valued at $227.01 that has a place with the class of mineable coins, with a market capitalization of $4,446,547,940, versus the most certainly thought. Over the exact past not very many years, digital forms of money, including Bitcoin money, laid out a really impressive traction in the worldwide monetary world and in every practical sense are presently being exchanged comparable to customary resources like stocks, wares, and unfamiliar monetary forms, forex, in a quite enormous way. A few institutional financial backers even consider crypto as a productive supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy, which generally is genuinely huge. Retail financial backers and brokers explicitly are somewhat keen on digital currencies, especially, for example, BCH, in light of the fact that this is ostensibly the most open monetary market, where various resources have the truly potential for 100x to 1000x additions in a generally essentially brief timeframe, which especially is very huge. These profits fundamentally are truly unreachable in sort of different business sectors, which basically is the justification for why most truly moderate financial backers truly are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like Bitcoin money, while the groundbreaking ones in every practical sense give a critical part of their cash flow to this quickly creating resource class in a very enormous manner. At this kind of specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Bitcoin money to the level at $227.01, where it right now sits, lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. As currently referenced, BCH for the most part is a mid-positioned cryptographic money, since it as of now possesses the 23rd spot in worldwide digital money rankings, the metric that not entirely set in stone, by duplicating the in every practical sense current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource in an unpretentious manner. On account of Bitcoin money, the market capitalization fundamentally remains at $4,446. Our cost forecast calculation in a real sense is planned in especially such a manner that it constantly screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to give our supporters the most dependable data on the very present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to sufficiently in a real sense survey the condition of their portfolio and generally choose whether or not it actually needs to in a real sense be reconfigured incredibly. Our calculation additionally gives kind of exceptional consideration to verifiable information, which really is entirely key for the very right assessment of both especially current and expected market structure and the appraisal of its present and future course. Underneath you will find key selections of this verifiable information, so you also could have a comprehension of where the Bitcoin money market certainly is going in an unobtrusive manner. Yesterday, on December 16, BCH generally was esteemed at $226.95 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings, especially recollect that cryptographic forms of money explicitly are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m. in an unobtrusive manner. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period explicitly added up to 1.46%, exhibiting how at this by and large specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Bitcoin money to the level at $227.01, where it presently especially sits in a quite huge manner. 7 days prior, on December 10, Bitcoin money basically was exchanged at $252.76 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that generally near its especially present position, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. On November 17, which certainly was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged BCH at $234.32, the cost level that is at the distance of 3.12% from where it as of now for the most part remains in an unpretentious manner. The cost of BCH and the readings of CVIX fundamentally are by all accounts not the only measurements that we use while drawing the cost expectations, exhibiting that yesterday, on December 16, BCH explicitly was esteemed at $226.95 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings in every practical sense. Recall that digital forms of money essentially are exchanged day in and day out. So every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m., or so they explicitly thought. Market capitalization essentially is another significant fundamentally metric that in a real sense assists traders with especially deciding the prominence of the cryptographic money being referred to, as well as its future possibilities in an essentially large manner. It's likewise used to explicitly evaluate the offer that Bitcoin money really holds inside the extremely whole digital currency market in an in every practical sense, large way. The equation for the computation of market capitalization really is fairly basic. The flowing stockpile of the cash being referred to explicitly is duplicated by its kind of current cost in a kind of significant manner. As of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of BCH especially remains at $4,446,547,940, enough to name it the 23rd kind of the biggest coin on the digital money market in an unpretentious manner. Yesterday, on December 16, the market capitalization of Bitcoin money for the most part remained at $4,445,036,412, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. 7 days prior, on December 10, the capitalization of BCH explicitly was $4,949,318,369, in a kind of significant manner. A month prior, on November 17, how much capital streaming around this sort of specific market especially added up to $4,583,370 win 560 win. So Bitcoin money generally is a mid-positioned cryptographic money right now valued at $227.01 that has a place with the class of mineable coins, with a market capitalization of $4,446,547,940, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Most cryptographic money financial backers in every practical sense stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with a kind of specific digital currency and its capacity to endure disturbances which truly are the by and large normal event on this exceptionally unstable market. In an all things the kind of greatest stock of Bitcoin money is 21,000,000 BCH. The complete inventory of BCH at present for the most part remains at 19,587,431 coins, further appearance how as of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of BCH certainly remains at $4,446,547,940, enough to name it the 23rd actually the biggest coin on the digital currency market, in spite of mainstream thinking. The flowing stock of the cryptographic money under survey really is 19,587,431 BCH, showing how as currently referenced, BCH especially is a mid-positioned cryptographic money since it by and by possesses the 23rd spot in worldwide digital currency rankings, the in every practical sense metric that's still up in the air by duplicating the ongoing cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource, which generally is genuinely critical. This Bitcoin money cost expectation wouldn't especially be really finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it's the in every practical sense metric utilized by essentially all digital currency brokers to basically affirm the strength of the pattern and the suitability of a market move in a fundamentally large manner. For example, assuming that the breakout to the potential gain generally is